In today's video, we'll explore how to leverage your college degree for financial success without undue strain. Firstly, it's important to acknowledge that while college equips you with knowledge in various subjects essential to your field, it often lacks practical guidance on translating that education into a lucrative career post-graduation. Despite the comprehensive education you receive, there's typically no clear roadmap or concrete advice on navigating the transition from academia to the corporate world. This gap in support can leave graduates feeling uncertain about how to capitalize on their hard-earned degrees and secure fulfilling employment. It's essential to clarify that this critique isn't meant to devalue the importance of education or the significance of obtaining a college degree. The university experience offers numerous advantages and remains a cornerstone of personal and intellectual growth. Furthermore, while college may not directly lead to immediate high-paying job opportunities, it does provide essential qualifications for competing in the professional sphere. Investing in a university education is often essential for accessing prestigious positions in white-collar industries. College graduates typically have a competitive edge over non-graduates when pursuing top-tier careers. However, it's crucial to recognize that a bachelor's degree alone does not guarantee success. Ultimately, the responsibility for shaping your career lies with you. Your academic journey culminates with graduation, marking the beginning of your professional endeavors. It's up to you to proactively navigate your career path and make the most of your educational investment. Your enrollment in undergraduate studies grants you access to a valuable resource for your job search, your Campus Career Services Center. It can serve as a crucial link to top employers, but it's not the sole avenue for finding post-graduation opportunities. While it's an important initial step, it has its limitations. What if your aspirations go beyond what your Campus Career Services Center offers? What if only a handful of prestigious companies recruit at your university? And what if the center doesn't have the entry-level positions you desire? Additionally, top companies can't feasibly visit every campus for interviews. To increase your chances of turning your degree into a lucrative career, 1. Strive for excellence across all aspects of your job search. Polish your resume, hone your interviewing skills, and seek guidance from a mentor. Address any weaknesses in your presentation before proceeding. For instance, if you excel on paper but struggle in interviews, focus on improving your interpersonal skills before pursuing further opportunities, especially at higher-tier companies. 2. Engage in mock and informational interviews to refine your performance. Ensure that every aspect of your preparation is thorough before advancing in your job search. Relying solely on one's strength isn't enough to guarantee success. For instance, if your resume is your strongest asset, don't rely solely on it to compensate for any weaknesses elsewhere. You still need to actively pursue opportunities and perform well in critical interviews. Sharpen all aspects of your skill set before tackling the task. Approach your job search with the best mental attitude, paper presentation, and interviewing abilities possible. Refine every aspect of your approach and bring your best to the table. Expand your network and explore job listings extensively. Embrace the numbers game and consider unconventional methods to connect with top employers. Think creatively and develop new strategies to pursue your future opportunities. Secure a position with a leading company through any means necessary. Be persistent in engaging with numerous firms and distributing your resume widely. Reach out to more employers, build connections, and submit your resume to as many top-tier companies as possible. Avoid idle time and maximize your chances of success by pursuing multiple opportunities simultaneously. Remember, you only need one offer to succeed. Maintain your momentum until you receive a concrete offer from a top employer and resist the temptation to become complacent. Don't assume that reaching out to several potential employers and distributing multiple copies of your resume exhausts all opportunities. There's always more you can do, more energy you can invest, and further ways to enhance your candidacy. Operate under the mindset that there are always more companies to approach, more job listings to explore, and more connections to establish. Keep pushing forward and strive for progress regardless of any obstacles or setbacks you encounter. If one opportunity closes, actively seek out the next one. Don't let your job search momentum fade. Be relentless in your pursuit. Follow up on every lead and maintain communication with every viable contact or company representative you engage with. Ensure you follow up on every resume submission unless explicitly instructed otherwise by the employer. Don't always wait for callbacks or responses. Take initiative and make follow-up calls yourself. Be proactive in moving the process forward. Avoid letting potential leads go cold due to lack of follow-up or persistence. Keep the dialogue alive until you receive a definitive response from the entities you're pursuing. Seize every opportunity and pursue every lead diligently. Refuse to settle for a position that falls below your standards. If you aspire to a top-tier full-time role and its corresponding salary, focus your efforts on such opportunities. Consider alternative options only if they align with your long-term career goals. Maintain your standards and avoid compromising your future. Resist the temptation to prioritize short-term gains over long-term prospects with elite employers. Lay the groundwork for a successful long-term career from the outset. Take charge of your future, even amidst the challenges of job searching. Navigate the vast landscape of potential employers, contacts, and resumes with confidence. Position yourself within the upper echelons of your profession. The responsibility lies with you to shape your future and secure your place in your dream company. This is your moment to shine and translate your college degree into substantial financial success.